Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Are you feeling good? Are you feeling happy? Or are you feeling sad or sleepy or hungry? But that's okay. Today we're going to learn something fun. Are you feeling excited? Are you feeling curious? Let's find out what we are going to learn today. So today we're going to learn about time. But before we come into the materials, I will give you two important steps that will help you to tell the time correctly. Let's go into the first step. In the clock, there are two kinds of hands, the short one and the long one. So the short one is to tell you about what time is it, and the long one is to tell you about the minutes. So do you know how many hours do we have in a day? Yeah, it's 24 hours in a day. And how many minutes do we have in an hour? Yeah, it's 60 minutes in an hour. The second step is there are two parts in the clock, the right part and the left part. So the right part is 2 and the left part is past. What it is for? Before that, I'm going you to remember this. When the long hand is on the number 1, it means 5 minutes. When the long hand is on number 2, it means 10 minutes. When the long hand is on number 3, it means quarter. When the long hand is on number 4, it means 20 minutes. When the long hand is on number 5, it means 25 minutes. When the long hand is on number 6, it means half. When the long hand is on number 7, it means 25 minutes. When the long hand is on number 8, it means 20 minutes. If the long hand is on number 9, it means quarter. If the long hand is on number 10, it means 10 minutes. If the long hand is on number 11, it means 5 minutes. So, what is the difference between this? The difference is only past and to. So, when you want to tell the time, first you need to look at the long hand, whether it is on the right or on the left. Now, I'm going to tell you how to say the hour. So, back again with this media. When you want to tell the hour, you need also to take a look at the long hand. So, if it is on the left, it means the past area. You just say the hour that the short hand show. So for example, like this. So here the long hand is to show number 2. It means 10 minutes past, and the short hand is showing number 4. So it means 10 minutes past 4. But if the long hand is on the right part, like this here, so you use 2, right? And you need to add the hour to the next hour. So for example, like this one. What time is it now? If the long hand is on number 8, it means 20 minutes to, because it is on the right, so we use 2. And this is not, for the hour is not number 9, but it is number 10, because it is going to 10 o'clock. So we call this hour is 20 minutes to 10. Okay students, now it's time for you to learn to tell the time correctly, okay? Like what I have said before, you will use this media to learn and play to tell the time. After this, I'm going to divide the class into several groups, and each group will have 3 members. I also provide you some questions here with 3 different questions so that you can really understand about the time. What you need to do here is, first of all, of course, you need to take the question. After you take this, for example, like this, how to read this, and then you need to set the time first, 8:45, and then after you set the time, you need to read it. What time is it? It is 7:45. After you read that, back again to your question, there is the number here. It is number 11, and you can check it on the back of the cupboard. You find your answer, your number here, and you take a look at the answer, whether you say it correctly or not. If you say it correctly, you can continue to another question, but if you say it wrongly, you can repeat the question later after your friends take turn. Okay, now I'm going to give you another example with the questions. So if you got the question like this, because the time already been set here, so what you need to do is only to answer the question. So what time is it? It is 4:15. And if you got another example, the other example is like this. It's 4:30. So what will it's 10:30. So what are we going to do with this kind of question? What you need to do is to set the time. It's 10:30. 30 is a number 6. You put it here. Past. So it is on 10:30. So right, this is 10:30. So do you understand the question, guys? I hope this can help you to understand how to tell the time correctly. After you answer the question, don't forget to check the answer on the back of the cardboard so that you can be sure with your answer whether it is right or wrong. Okay class, that's all the materials that we have learned today. If you still don't understand, you can ask me directly. Thank you for being such an attentive students. Good job, kids! See you again on the other class. Goodbye!